So this one day she said, no, forget it. You do puja, monastic puja today. I'm not letting you out of the house. So Radharani says, okay. So she goes to her room and she closes the door. She starts crying. She's very unhappy. So now the manjari is 40 kilometers away in Lalita's Kunj at Radhakund. And she's decorating, per Radharani's instruction, she's making very beautiful flower bed, exactly as Radharani described. Make it with mogra, first make a layer of mogra flowers, like one, like so high, and then cover that with rose petals, and like all these different ideas Radharani was giving to make a very beautiful and fragrant and enjoyable flower bed to serve Krishna. So the manjari is there, but as soon as Radharani started, her mood, she was very excited and happy to be leaving for puja. Then she got blocked by her mother-in-law, and prohibited by Chatila. Then her mood changed, she became unhappy, Radharani's crying. The manjari's mood also changed, and she became unhappy and she started crying. So whether the manjaris are right next to Radharani, there's a verse in Radharasanidhi, it says, Nitya Parshve, Chatur Paricharani. Chatur Paricharani. Chatur means very expert and clever. I will always be standing by your side, O Radharani, Nitya Parshve, and Chatur Paricharani. I will always be standing by your side, right by your side, Radharani, ready to render all kinds of different services. So this is one shloka like this.